Greetings, everybody. It's June 2021. I'm going to do a longer video where I'm actually painting another layer on this painting, which you all know if you've been following me on our members site. I've been working on this for, I guess it's month 3 or 4 with all the layers that it has. So I will place this on a tripod when I mix my paints today, which I'm about to make a new palette right here and pull out some colors, which are right there. And just to I got some new panels back there, very exciting. I've got some new panels there and one right there. So our July is about memory, first memory. And my very first memory is a TV screen. I'm sitting in a kind of a carriage donut. Don't know if you all remember that, where you sit in there and you can kind of bounce around. It has like a little plastic white tray around it. My first memory is looking at a black and white screen on the television and seeing the NBC, the network, NBC Peacock, turned from black and white to color. So I have taped this off. It's a painting that I had started, so I'm doing another layer. And I'm trying to decide, am I going to put the donut on the bottom and the peacock on this screen, and will the screen become smaller? Because in my mind's eye, it was daytime and light around me. So this is dark, so it will probably change to bring in light. Sometimes just remembering if it's nighttime or daytime and choosing a color to represent that is good enough when your memory isn't quite clear. So over here, here's the paper piece that I did a demo on at the mid-month of June. I'll be working on this some more. And I started this in acrylic, this little baby piece right here. So we'll see where that goes as well. So stay tuned, everybody. There'll be more to come. Okay.